If you're trying to decide between Plus500 and OANDA, you're not alone. Both platforms are trusted brokers, but they serve different types of traders with different priorities. Let's break down what each one offers, their strengths, and where they might fall short, so you can figure out which is the right fit for you. First up, let's talk about Plus500. Plus500 is a CFD broker designed around simplicity and accessibility. The platform is very beginner-friendly, with a clean, intuitive interface that makes it easy to place trades without being overwhelmed by too many features. With Plus500, you can trade CFDs on forex, commodities, indices, ETFs, shares, and even cryptocurrencies. A big advantage here is risk management. Features like guaranteed stop-loss orders help protect against sudden volatility, which can be especially useful for new traders. The Plus500 has its limitations. Since it focuses entirely on CFDs, you don't actually own the assets you trade, so there are no dividends, voting rights, or long-term investment benefits. It also lacks the advanced research tools, customizable charting, and algorithmic trading support that more experienced traders might expect. In short, Plus500 is best suited for short-term traders who want a simple, no-frills way to speculate on market prices. Now let's turn to OANDA. OANDA is a well-established broker, best known for its strong focus on forex trading. Unlike Plus500, OANDA gives traders access to more advanced platforms, including its own proprietary system as well as MetaTrader 4. This opens the door to algorithmic trading, customizable indicators, and powerful charting tools. OANDA is also respected for its transparency in pricing and its reputation for reliability, making it a trusted choice for serious forex traders. Where OANDA really shines is in flexibility. It offers competitive spreads, the ability to trade in fractional lot sizes, and detailed market analysis tools. This makes it appealing not just for experienced traders, but also for intermediates who want to grow their skills with a professional-grade platform. That said, OANDA is primarily a forex and CFD broker, so its range of tradable instruments is narrower compared to Plus500's multi-asset coverage. The platform also has a steeper learning curve, which may feel intimidating for absolute beginners. So which one should you choose? If you're new to trading and want a straightforward, easy-to-use platform for speculating across different global markets, Plus500 is the simpler option. But if your focus is forex and you want advanced tools, strong execution, and the ability to refine your strategies with professional-grade platforms, OANDA is the better fit. In short, Plus500 is for simplicity and multi-market CFD trading, while OANDA is for depth, precision, and serious forex trading. Both are reputable brokers, but your choice ultimately depends on whether you want ease of use or advanced tools to take your trading further. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.